Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chef Harshal. Alongside with me, I have Atharva and Aditya, live from Lexicon Institute of Hotel Management Kitchens. And today, we'll be preparing a very famous Mexican dish. The dish name is it's creamy Mexican whole wheat quesadilla. So let's get started and understand how are we going to prepare. All right. So basically, I'll just let you through the ingredients first. What all ingredients we are using, and how are we going to prepare this dish. So it has three particular parts: preparing quesadilla, tortillas, preparing a stuffing, and then we are going to assemble it. Right? I have a surprise element ingredient in this particular dish, and that is our newly launched Amul product, Paneer Burji. So we are going to twist this preparation, this product with this Paneer Burji stuffing inside to give a little Amul touch. So let us get started. So what are we preparing first? We are going to prepare a quesadilla tortillas. Tortilla is basically a Mexican roll or type of paratha. So we'll start with it. Atharva will help us in this. So for the preparation, we will take 1 cup of whole wheat flour and we will take half cup of maize flour, which is your makai ka atta. I will add a pinch of salt for taste. Here we go. In the meantime, Atharva is preparing a dough. Let me get through the entire ingredient list what we will be using. So for the tortilla dough, we have whole wheat flour and maize flour and salt. And for the paneer stuffing, what we will be required is Amul Burji paneer, which is already in grated form, so good for us. We'll be using chopped garlic. We'll be using chopped capsicum, which is red and yellow color capsicum. For the flavoring, I have cumin powder, salt and pepper powder. So we'll use oil and start preparing the stuffing. This is for the stuffing, and for the filling of your quesadilla, what I have is I have already kept this fresh sauteed mushrooms. So for this, what you do is simply slice your mushrooms, heat some oil, add garlic, add mushrooms, salt and pepper, and just cook for 2 minutes. That's it. Very simple to prepare, and this can really go well with your sandwich, your rolls. You can, as it is, have with a stuffing, stuffed paratha also. So it's really good to have in day-to-day diet. So it's also good for your health. Mushrooms. And then for your filling of the quesadillas, what I have is Amul sour cream. I have Amul cream cheese also, which will give a little creaminess to your quesadillas. I have some sliced juliennes of red capsicum and yellow capsicum. And for the other flavorings into Mexican aspect, we have some sliced olives, sliced jalapeno chilies. I have some fresh salsa, coriander leaves for garnish, some lemon wedges, and of course to end with lettuce. So in the meantime, Atharva is preparing our dough. Let us start preparing our Paneer Burji stuffing. So for that, Aditya will help me out. So take a non-stick pan. So Aditya will now put some oil into it, olive oil. And put a little more. Let it heat for some time. थोड़ा सा और बीट करें. So we'll now put some chopped garlic. You always have to ensure whenever we are heating oil and adding garlic, you'll have to heat it sufficiently so that the garlic leaves a good flavor into your oil and then it tastes better when you are preparing your products. Once your garlic is slightly cooked, what we will be adding is fine chopped capsicum. So I have red and yellow capsicum together. So in the meantime, our capsicum is getting cooked. Our dough is ready. Atharva has made a good soft dough. So for your tortilla, you'll have to make soft dough, not very soft, not very hard, so that we can roll out nice and soft tortillas. So I'll ask Atharva to now help us with some tortilla preparation where we will roll them out and bake them out. So once our capsicums are little cooked, properly done, we will now add our secret ingredient, that is Amul Bhurji Paneer. On a slow flame, just ensure that you are using and cooking your paneer properly. Since paneer is a very soft product, you don't have to cook it for a very long, otherwise it becomes crispy and then it loses out its texture. So once it's little slightly sauteed, what we will be adding is a pinch of cumin powder, which really provides that Mexican flavor. A little bit of salt. And a bit of pepper powder. And to provide a little sourness to our stuffing, I am squeezing out few drops of lemon juice. Great. So stuffing is now ready. We'll turn off the gas and we'll take out the stuffing into a bowl. Put on this. Great. So this is our stuffing ready. Atharva has also helped us with some freshly baked tortillas. So I want a little smaller size tortillas, so when we are making at household, when we are making at our home. Making a very large one will not be able to help us out because once we are done with the feeling part of it, we also have to again do it on the gas to give a little crispiness. So I always prefer a little smaller size tortillas, which will give us a good shape and which will help us to prepare our quesadillas in a very proper manner. So let us start. I think yes, our tortillas are ready. Our filling is also ready. So you will see now, this is a real quick and easy recipe to make. But you'll always love the flavors. You'll always like the taste, and of course, the kids will also definitely like it. So let us start preparing the assembling of it. Yes, I'll take it inside. So for the assembling part of it, I have tortillas, I have my stuffing ready, I take my chopping board at the center, right? So let's start. For this, I'll take simple plain tortilla. Now first what I will be doing is, I'll be applying a little bit of Amul cream cheese. This is also, sour cream also will be preferred because that gives you a better sourness into it. So slightly applied to the half side. Now whatever I'll be applying, probably will be applying on the half part of your tortilla, because I'm going to flip over this. So that will give you a better idea, better texture, right? The next one is, I'll sprinkle some cheddar cheese. So this is Amul cheddar cheese what I'm using. Cheddar cheese also give you that flavor and saltiness required for your quesadillas. So slight cheddar cheese which I will sprinkle all over, because then once it is flipped, it will get properly melted. So cheddar cheese I'm using. I'll be using my paneer bhurji stuffing. A little bit. Then I'll be using our sauteed mushrooms. You can spread them. Okay, some capsicum, couple of slices of capsicum, some sliced olives, and jalapenos. If you don't want jalapenos to add, because actually jalapenos will give you that spiciness required for the entire quesadilla. If you want to use Indian green chilies to have it more spicy, you can always do that. It will give you the spiciness. And at the end, I will be adding a cream cheese to make it more creamy and nice. So a lot of cream cheese always help us out. And then the last stage is to flip it over. So for the moment, if you can see this, it's already looked good. I have all the stuffing and filling. Now for the moment, I'll keep it aside till the time I prepare the second one. Let us repeat the process once again. I'll apply a bit of cream cheese. You can apply half, you can apply full. If you want to be more creamy, nicely done, you can apply it both the ways, is fine. Then you put cheddar cheese. Good amount of cheese will always help you and make people happy. So mushrooms. I personally like sauteed mushrooms a lot. So when adding them also gives you a good flavor and good taste in terms of your products. And then of course our secret ingredient recipe, which is your paneer bhurji stuffing. Right? Some capsicum. Some olives. Latino. Done. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add our cream cheese. . Finally, just close it. Your wrap is ready. So what are we going to do now is, so to make it final, to make it perfect, what we will do is, we will take them and we'll put them on hot griddle so that we can just finishing touch. थोड़ा सा गर्म करना है, हल्का सा कम ही रखो, थोड़ा और कम करो. You know, in terms of cooking, whenever we start cooking or whenever we cook anything on your flame, you know what is important is to have a very moderate flame, because the more you control your gas, the more you control your heat, the more you control your flame, will give you better results out of it. So it's always very much essential and important, you know, to have controlled flame whenever you're cooking the entire product. So what I'll just do it, we'll put a bit of oil just to ensure that it won't stick to the bottom. Right, I'll lift up the quesadilla and I'll put it into your pan. So we'll allow it to do a little nice golden brown color. So if you can see, the cheese is already started melting inside because of the heat. So it's very important for us to have a very moderate heat. If you have a very high heat, there are chances that the cheese will burn and it will discolor your entire quesadilla. Flip it. I hope everybody is liking it. If you have any questions, you can put them in chat box. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Which questions are there? If you do not have those Amul ka bhurji, it's fine. You can use a regular Amul paneer which is there in the market. You can grate it and use it. It's actually the same sort of a feeling you will get, because it's Amul that what we are using into it. So if you do not have the Amul bhurji product, you can use the regular Amul wala malai paneer. You can grate it and you can use it as it is. So the recipe name is creamy Mexican whole wheat quesadilla. So why I'm saying whole wheat, because I have also added whole wheat when we are preparing it into our households. In India, basically whole wheat is a very preferred sort of a meal. So we can use whole wheat, we can use cornmeal, we can use, if you are looking for a healthy option, you can only use cornmeal. If you are looking for a mixed option, you can use whole wheat plus cornmeal. If you want to use a tortilla version of it, which is with refined flour, you can also use refined flour into it. So there are multiple options that you are available with. So I don't want to make it very crisp or very dark. So a light golden brown color is always good. So once it is done, I'll take it out in the plate. See a very nice golden brown color that we have on our quesadilla. So Aditya will help us. Atharva also can help him with the second one. So we have, if you can see here, we have our creamy quesadilla ready with us. We'll start now plating with it. आराम से. You want a stainless steel का फिर stainless steel का पड़ेगा. Alright, so for the plating part, what I'll be doing is very simply, whatever quesadilla we've made, I'll basically cut it into 3 parts. I have homemade salsa because since it is Mexican, I thought salsa will be really good. If you want to make fresh salsa at your home, it becomes very easy. You just have some chopped tomatoes, chopped green chilies, chopped onion, and jalapenos. These are very basic flavors for it. A little bit of sugar and vinegar. You just mix them all together, put it in a pan, or 5 minutes cook kar lo. You will have a very nicely fresh baked or freshly made salsa ready. So it's a very simple recipe of salsa also. So for the presentation, right, I'll arrange quesadillas. They're very creamy, nice. You can see the inside. They're very creamy, soft because of cheese, paneer, that what we have added into it. So will always give you a good flavor and taste, but obvious. And for a garnish, what we have is a coriander leaf, and a wedge of lemon. Right? So if you go, this is what is our creamy Mexican whole wheat quesadillas for you. I hope you have liked the recipe. Enjoy, do try it out, and do let us know if you need any help, any suggestions, any advice on preparing of this particular dish. So thank you so much for joining with us, and hope you will enjoy the dish. Thank you so much, Atharva. Thank you so much, Aditya, both of you, and that's all. So thank you so much, all of you, and signing off. Thank you.